Good morning, students. We have already learned about the three methods of valuation of goodwill: average profit method, weighted average profit method, super profit method. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the fourth method, that is capitalization of profit method. To find out the capital profit, we have the formula average profit upon expected rate of return into 100. Capitalized profit is equal to average profit upon expected rate of return into 100. To find out the goodwill by capitalization method, we have to find out or do the following points. First, capital employed. Capital employed is equal to total assets minus total liabilities. Second, expected rate of return. Which is generally given in question. Given. Third, average profit. We have to calculate it. Average profit. Fourth, capitalized profit. Capitalized profit is equal to average profit find in point number 3 upon expected rate of return into 100. Fifth, goodwill is equal to capitalized profit calculated in point number 4 minus capital employed calculated in point number 1. We will again see first point, capital employed, same as calculated in super profit method, total assets minus total liabilities. Total assets and liabilities value is given in question. Second, expected rate of return, which is given in question. Third, average profit. Average profit is equal to total profit upon number of years. Fourth, capitalized profit. Capitalized profit is equal to average profit calculated in point number 3 upon expected rate of return given in point number 2 into 100. Goodwill is equal to capitalized profit minus capital employed. Capital profit calculated in point number 4 minus capital employed calculated in point number 1. Here answer of goodwill we have calculated by capitalization profit method. Here one thing should be kept in mind. Note, if the answer of goodwill is 0 or negative, then no goodwill exists in that business. If the answer calculated is 0 or the value comes as negative, then no goodwill exists in that business. You have to write down this method calculation in your notebook in the serial order, and when you do the sum you have to write the formula first and then put the value to find out the answer. Don't do the sum directly. You have to write down the first all the formulas, then apply the values and get the answer. Then only you will get full marks in board. 4 marks question is generally asked from this chapter, so you will get the 4 mark according to the steps. If you don't write the formula, marks will be deducted for that. We are going to discuss question number 10, page number 106 of your textbook. Capitalization profit method. Point 1. Capital employed. Total assets minus total liability. Value of asset is given as 6 lakh minus liability is given as 4 lakh 30,000. So capital employed comes, sorry students, value of total asset is given 6 lakh minus total value of liabilities is given as 1 lakh 70,000. So capital employed comes 4 lakh 30,000. We'll write here 4 lakh 30,000. Second is expected rate of return, which is given as 10% in question. Third point, we have to find out weighted average profit. Since the profit is showing the continuous increasing trend, so instead of finding simple average profit, we will find out the weighted average profit. Here you can see the profit of different year is showing the continuous increasing trend: 45,000, 50, 65, 75,000 and 90,000. So we'll apply the weighted average profit method. Now giving the weights, to find out the total weighted profit, we will multiply 45,000 by the weights, so that comes 45,000 1 lakh 1,95,000, 75,000 into 4, 3 lakh 90,000 into 5, 4 lakh 50,000. Total of total weighted profit comes 10 lakh 90,000. Total weights is adding 15. So weighted average profit is equal to total weighted profit divided by total weights. That comes 72,667. We have taken as rounded figure. Now next point we have to find out is capitalized profit. capitalized profit is equal to average profit. Here we have find out the average weighted profit upon expected rate of return into 100. Average profit 72667 upon expected rate of return is given as 10% into 100. So capitalized profit here comes 72667. Fifth point, goodwill is equal to capitalized profit minus capital employed. Capitalized profit 726670 minus capital employed we have calculated in point 1 as 4,30,000. So goodwill comes 296,670. We'll again go through the topic capitalization profit method. Question number 10 of your textbook we have done. Capital employed is total asset minus total liability. Total asset is given as 6 lakh minus 1,70,000. So capital employed comes 4,30,000. Second is expected rate of return, which is given in question as 10%. Here, since the profit is showing the continuous increasing trend, so we have calculated the weighted average profits. Weighted average profit we have already learned in topic second. So weighted average profit comes 10,90,000 divided by 15, 72,667. Capitalized profit is equal to average weighted profit upon expected rate of return into 100. So capitalized profit comes 72,670. Goodwill is equal to capitalized profit minus capital employed. So 726670 minus 4,30,000, which we have calculated in the point number 1. So goodwill comes 2,96,670. Students, you have to do this sum in your notebook according to the topic given, and illustration related to this also you have to solve and send to the respective concerned teacher. Here just keep it in mind that you have to write the formula first and then put the value. You have to find out the answers accordingly and you have to present in this way in this table. Then only you are going to get complete full marks. Here marks is given according to the point wise as you have calculated the things. So you will get only full marks, 4 marks, when you show the complete calculation along with the formulas. Thank you. You have to do the following sums. Question 10 of page number 106, which we have solved. Illustration 7, page number 98 in your notebook.